yeah, we're going to head this way. We're going to see what we can find. I know this is a quarry. I know there's a little lake here, which is the quarry's overfilled with water. And I know there's some old buildings here. Here she is. I'm in trouble. Right, we've just been stopped for a little while and just been taking a few pictures of these buildings behind us, and we've just been chatting to this lovely couple here, Tony and Shelley. They were just getting out of the car when we got to the car parking place, and they've had a walk round, and they're doing the same as us. They're trying to find the hall, and we've just looked on the Ordnance Survey map, and we still can't find it, but we think it's over that way now. Yeah, we think it's over that way, so we're going to head over that way and have a look once I've explored this bit. But yeah, I thought I'd put them on camera, make them famous, and that'll give them a reason to subscribe to me then, won't it? Yeah. Right, we'll see you soon. Anyway, you never know, we might see you up to Dinorwig tomorrow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Right, as it is, we're going to head up to Dinorwig Quarry tomorrow, so you never know, we might see him now, just pointing them that direction, because Dinorwig, as we know, is beautiful. So right, we'll have a quick look here, and then we're going to head down that way. Right, we've got the camera out again. We're just walking down this real spooky looking pathway. Again, imagine this being in the evening when it's getting dark, or some fog and mist around here, or heavy drizzle or something like that. This could be pretty spooky. The walls are sheer face, to be honest, and there's some absolutely beautiful lichen mosses. Because they're wet and the rocks start grey, they're just really popping out with this soft light. I'm going to take a set of 3 images. I've just done a set of 3 images up on the wall back up round that house. I've done 3 sort of images looking into the wall, and they were all horizontal because all the rock work was going horizontal where it's been stacked up. With this, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to show you both of them together. I'll do the set of 3 and show you the set of 3, and I'm going to show you the set of 3 of these. And what I'm looking at is the finer details in the rocks. I'm just looking for something a little bit different, a little bit not out of my comfort zone, but just a little bit different that I don't normally do. Things like these little leaves that you can see down there, and these things, as you can see them up there. Just focusing in on these and just trying to get a set of images. The camera, as you can see there, is now vertical because all the rocks are vertical. So with that set over there, they're going horizontal. This set are going horizontal. So I'll show you the set over there first, and then I'll show you the set over here. Let me know what you think. Do you think this has worked? Does it work? Is it good? I think in my mind I can see what it is I want to produce. If it works what I can see in my mind, it should look quite good. If it doesn't, then you tell me. Yeah, let's see how it works out. Camera settings f9, so I've got a little bit more depth of field in it because I'm quite close. I'm only a couple of foot away from the wall. Like I said, vertical, ISO 100, 2-second timer, and I'm just going to take it like that. And it is balancing the histogram and take the shot. Right. Apparently,
two kids throwing big chunks.
Apparently, there's 2 kids at the top there throwing slate. So I'll make my presence known, and if they carry on throwing them, we'll have to back out because we're in the no win zone. So just keep an eye on that. Right, I'll show you these 3 images. 3 horizontal, 3 vertical. I'll bob them together. The horizontal ones may end up square, so they fit together. Let me know what you think. Been in that lot behind. We've just come up onto this clearing, and behind us, look at this lovely lake. Apparently this is, did you say 500 feet deep?
I don't know.
Some crazy depth for whatever it was. And you do diving and things here, I think. But yeah, all the way around. Look, there's another buildings up there. There's buildings up the top there. So there's tons to explore. I want to get over there. That's where I want to get and have a look over that way. So I think we might leave going that way, and we're going to head back up this direction, I think, maybe. In saying that, it looks like a simple walk. Let's walk around there first. Yeah, we're going to walk around that way first. We're going to have a look over that side. I might end this here though, because I don't want to make it too long, because my videos have got very long lately. So I'm going to try and see if I can just pull them back a little bit. They'll never be short ones, but I'll try and make them a little bit shorter for you. So yeah, thanks for watching, and what can I say? Join us on the next one, on the next adventure. It will be me and Mrs. C, and it will be also one of my subscribers. We're meeting him tomorrow at Dinorwig Quarry, Kevin French. So if you're watching this, Kevin, you'll be in the next one, mate. So stay tuned. So until next time. How totally Jurassic Park is this? Look at it. Look at this fence. Alright, I suppose it's put up there just to stop you wandering in. It's not going to stop you going over or through, is it? But how totally Jurassic Park. It's just... it's bonkers. Wow. We walked over to that building, as you can see behind me. Make our way around to there anyway. More buildings, more fences. They are guiding you through. They have actually laid out a pathway, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's quite nice as well. The gable.
Got a path there,
you know, it's pretty cool the way they've laid the fences out, so you can walk round. Oh, and a tunnel. And a tunnel. Going underground, babe. Oh no, we're not. Look at this. Look at the work involved in all this. People actually put this up by hand, haven't they? This is all cut slate.
All the stalactites.
Stalactites, and because tights come down, as you know. This is just trees growing out the wall. Oh my god! I've just taken a photograph. You may have already seen the photograph. I'm going to have to take a picture here actually, but you may have just seen the photograph I took. And I keep stopping because I've just seen wire and metal coming through the walls, which is just keeps stunning me. It's really cool. Yeah, I was just taking a photograph of me stood next to a big tree root. Once again, Denise spotted it, and it always amazes us how they just grow out of nothing, don't they? Big trees and stuff like that. Well, the root would come out the wall and come all the way down. Well, if you look at this one behind me, this tree's come out the wall and spread its root across the edge. Now I'll get the camera a bit closer and I'll hold it up high and I'll show you what I mean. But all the way across from one side, oh, let's put your camera down a sec. All the way across from one side to the other, right across that ledge, it's pushed its tree roots. And it's just, nature's fantastic. It's phenomenal what it does. And look at that. It's just growing out the wall. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get a picture of this arch because it's flipping brilliant. Right.
Need a wide angle.
Right, I know I've just said goodbye, and yeah, 1904. Can you see that? 1904. Yeah, I know I said goodbye, but we actually just chuck you back on again. We've just walked around the other side of the quarry lake, and we've come in down this path, and there's some amazing, amazing, amazing things to see. I know it doesn't float everyone's boat, but me and Denise, look, she's even getting her camera back out again. So we've had to stop here, and we're going to do another few more minutes with the camera. I found an old an old drum or I don't know, a chamber of some kind. I've just taken a snapshot on my phone, so I'll bang that one up. Oh, and I've just noticed this, babe. Have you seen this? It's a clock tower.
Yeah, I've seen that.
I didn't realise that. Can you see that above me? It's a clock tower. Oh man, oh man. Can you just imagine what it'd be like to get inside there? Right, now I've just been around the other side as well.
Look at that.
And I've just taken another phone shot, and I'm going to take my camera back round. Wow. But it's of two great big, I don't know what they are, they'd be water tanks or drainage tanks, air tanks if they're going underground. It could be sluices to try and drag water out, yeah it could be, which is before that was flooded. And look at this, the pump wheels here. We've got the pump wheel, we've got the big gubbins, you know, that goes up and down, boom, 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 big pumping station. Oh, absolutely brilliant, brilliant. Right, I'm going to have to get the camera out, I'm going to have to get a couple more images of this. The light's going down a lot now, and then I will say goodbye. So I'm going to say goodbye now, and enjoy these few images and a little bit of B-roll. And yeah, we are going to have a group meetup. Denise said this would be a great place to come for a group meetup. So, Landscape Photography Adventures, check us out on Facebook. I'm going to be doing a meetup here in a couple of months' time. I'll give you some dates, I'll bob some dates up when I think. It'll probably be summertime, but it'll be a good way to come and explore the place in the summer anyway. Yeah, so that's the plan. Sometime in the summer, meet up here and we'll go exploring. See you later.